and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hi guys! How are you all on other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, itutur ko kayo dito sa aming room, dito sa aming layover sa Singapore, guys. So guys, what are we waiting for? Happy watching! Hi Jack, how are you?
I'm well, thank you. I'm glad we didn't have to walk very far.
I think we will do a vlog with the school as well.
I thought we had a scooter too, but our gate was just there. We didn't have to walk very far at all. So it was just easy. Now we wait.
Okay, guys.
Actually, it's separate the rooms.
That's annoying. By number 4.
Are you going Dynamo?
Okay guys, so this is our row 49. Our layover for 14 hours, yeah. Right?
Yes, until like 5 o'clock tomorrow morning we get picked up.
Yeah.
I'm very ganda.
Very ganda.
And I got slippers.
Okay guys.
Plus a little more.
Hi guys! Ayan, tayo mag-room tour ngayon since we be staying here for our layover for 14 hours. So this is our leg part 1 of our leg travel journey with Jax. Ayan. So pagpasok nyo ng ating kwarto, this is Aerostal dito sa loob ng airport, right Jax?
Oh yes, Aerotel.
So this is a Changi Singapore Changi Airport. So makikita niyo dito pagpasok natin sa main door ang kanilang toilet. Hi guys! How are you all? Ayan, so ito yung hair dryer nila. Ayan yung for shaver guys. Ayan. So here you can see the hand soap guys. Ayan yung ano nila. Ayan. Loose kasi ito. No, loose. Tapos ito yung basin guys. Ayan yung basin. So, may lamp dito over here. Tapos may tiles dyan, guys. May tissue. Tapos, let me see the drawer here. So, there's a tissue. There's a toothgloss. It's a plastic glass, guys. Tapos, may mga toiletries din. Yung Colgate toothbrush. Yung shower cup. Saka cotton balls. Tapos, ito yung toilet. Ayan. Ginulo ko na yan kanina. Ayan. Tapos, this is the massive shower guys, ayan. Meron yung head shower sa taas. Ayan, they have also a towel. So, ayan, diba? Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung kanilang shampoo, hair and body guys. Ayan, hair and body. May soap dispenser here. Tapos, ito yung shower, faucet. Tapos, ayan, yayamanin. Siya, diba? Underneath, guys, there's a slipper here, tongs. Ayan. Tapos, there's a towel here. There's a, this is not a drawer, guys. Only one drawer here. So, ayan, guys, nalabas na tayo. Ayan, tapos ito, merong magandang mirror dito. Ayan, mahaba siya, guys. So, yun yung mga things namin ni Jax. So, ito yung yung hangeran. Tapos, we have separate beds. So, we have 2 separate beds, guys. There's a lamp. Tapos, meron siyang paint yan. So, ito. Is this controller, Jax?
Yeah, aircon.
So, ayan, yayamanin. Ganda. Ayan. Tapos ito, Aerostel guys. It's inside the Changi Airport guys. Ayan. So meron silang landline dyan, yung drone namin, yung TV. Very nice. Tapos meron bottle of water here. There's a kettle, there's a cup here. Ayan, may spoon, tapos may chocolate, Indo coffee, creamer, ayan, twinning, English breakfast tea, sugar. Tapos, ano to? What's this, Jax? Air humidifier.
Oh yeah, I turned on a second ago.
This is air humidifier also, guys. Dito sa loob ng hotel. Purifier. Tapos may alcohol gel.
Kills the COVID.
And there's a free mask. So, disposable mask. Tapos makikita nyo dito sa table, they also have a complimentary in-room menu. Kasi yung kapag may pipili ka dito, there's a kid menu here. And then there's a pasta set, Singaporean chicken rice, all-day American breakfast set, tapos Western set, Japanese bento, and vegetarian set kung vegetarian ka guys. So meron siyang smart traveler, ayan. Tapos kapag order ka guys ng food, kasi bawal ka lumabas dito sa loob ng aerotel, mas maganda hintayin mo yung mga and this is our bed for tonight, kasi nga layover tayo mga guys. So ito ang beautiful view namin ni Jax. So, dito talaga kami sa airport ng Changi Airport, guys. Ayan. So, there's a different Singaporean Airlines, Air France, Singaporean, the home base of Singapore. Tapos, ayun yung plane namin, guys. Ito, Scoot.
Yeah, I reckon that's the plane we came in on.
Ayun yung plane namin, guys. Malapit lang talaga kami kanina. Tapos, walang katao-tao, guys, kanina. Sobra. So, ayun yung view namin dito sa loob ng aming room for tonight. Ayan, tomorrow morning, ayun, mag-fly na kami and we are going for our leg 2, guys.
There's more lights.
Yan.
There's lights everywhere.
How you find it, Jax?
That's very nice.
You like
I
it?
look forward to just sitting down with a bed that isn't so hard.
Yes, guys. Ang dalang na. Si Jax nag-check in. Nag-anak
I
niya.
might sleep properly with no hip pain.
Oh, no. Okay, guys.
Paalam.
Okay, guys. So, this is our food for tonight. So, Jax, what we are having?
Well, this is the main, but yeah, we get our orange fruit drink.
Orange fruit drink, yes.
But we still have like a bunch of water there if we want more. Now we have dinner. Cup either side. Squished in there.
Why? It's messy though.
So I think that's Cajun chicken thigh. That there I think is the pasta aglio olio. You have some roasted vegetables there. Can't quite identify, I think that's pumpkin, probably mushroom I think I see there. And for some reason it's an out of place orange. So we have 2 of those. So it's actually quite a big decent serving. And then in the morning,
Show them our menu.
yeah, in the morning we probably end up getting the American breakfast set unless you feel like something hot in the morning.
Yeah, I want this one. They have a salad too. And
Yeah.
they have a kids menu
Or the
over
kids
there
one.
And a pasta set too.
Yeah, so probably got up there, which it looks like you get ham, pancake, sausage, I think that might be egg, yeah, scrambled eggs, small salad, tomatoes and another orange. So yes, we'll dig into this now.
Thank you, Jax.
No problemos.
Okay, so now we are going to eat, guys. We have another chair, but it's over there. The one I showed you earlier.
No, it's just really short.
I sacrificed for Jax, guys.
Did you?
Where's your ano?
Oh, there's multiple spoons.
Huh? Yeah, this one 3.
That's alright. I've already just cut it with glass.
I have a pasta here. Orange juice too. That's not so fast. I thought it's, Auntie said earlier, it's about takes 15 to 20 minutes.
breakfast is served.
Ah.
Looks like dinner last night, except they've got yogurt added to it here.
Good morning, guys! So, ayan yung breakfast namin for today.
There's more orange juice.
Orange juice,
Cutlery.
cutlery,
Yogurt. Apple
yogurt,
and mango. And now oranges.
oranges,
Butter.
butter,
I think that's maple syrup, pancake, ham, sausage,
tomatoes,
and egg.
Ayan guys, so we chose what we chose.
American breakfast set.
Ayan, we chose American breakfast, guys.
Yeah, which is I think really the only breakfast apart from the kids' meal.
Ayan guys, kasi nga mamaya-maya aalis na tayo. Mga, what time? 5 to 5:30?
Yeah, that's the time we get picked up. It's still 4:40 now.
Yes. Ayan, naka-turtleneck. Ang lamig kasi. Okay guys, so lolang makeup yan. Labasan ng pimples.
You can have the chair today. Oh,
It's okay.
so I'm tall or something. It's like close to the meal.
You want to cutlery.
Thank you.
Okay, I want niya to sit down. You want this?
That's okay. You know. She's Australian.
Is she?
Can't remember. Oh yeah, I know the show.
What's that?
It's Good Chef, Bad Chef. She makes a meal which is like meant to be somewhat healthy, and he goes all out and makes like an unhealthy version of it. Yeah, we used to always be on the weekend. It's a TV show. She's a replacement. There used to be a different person who played her role.
Guys, kain.
Pretty much she's usually like a vegetarian, and then yeah, he usually has something with meat on it.
Big chunks.
That's how we cook in Australia. We always do it outside with pieces of wood on our table.
Why? We have piece of chopboard. Wood chopboard.
Yeah, so it's like just a couple of pieces of random pieces of wood. Come on, put in the piggies.
You don't do in the piece of wood.
I know, it's just
There's a
staged.
You have a stove on the bottom.
Look like extra country.
Yeah, for you to go outdoor cooking. Yeah. They will call us.
So I'm just trying to get everything kind of ready for.
Please put your yoga, guys. So here sa loob ng Changi Airport sa Singapore, of course. And nakita niyo naman, socialin, yayamanin guys. So we are here for 14 hours. Is it correct, Jax? 14 hours?
Correct. It's about 5:30 now. We get checked out about this time in about 12 hours time actually.
Yes, so si Jack somewhere there, over there. So, ayun nga, so kasi mas prefer ni Jax na magstay sa hotel kesa naman doon kami matulog at mag-waiting ng 14 hours sa waiting area, guys. Kasi tomorrow pa yung flight namin sa Australia, guys. So, that's our quick tour of our layover hotel for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and you learned something today. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And thanks for supporting my videos. Mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And ciao la.